lot number 103 is a 2003 Bluebird All-American 72 passenger school bus. This one appears to have electrical issues. It says right here that it runs, so they drove it here. I installed 2 batteries back there, and what I'm getting here is all the lights are turning on the dashboard. Leads me to believe that it may have electrical issues. It may have something shorted out. There are the miles, 172,000. It does nothing. The interior shows normal wear and tear. The rear AC is hanging back there. Looks like the cover back there is... I'm not going to go too far in. I'm not sure if there's raccoons or something in here. All the windows appear to be closed and in working shape. The front AC is in place. The motor, transmission, and exhaust system appear to be complete. It's got some rust on here. I can see through the floor on the steps. The body has minor dents and scratches all along the body. Paint looks faded and moldy. Tires look worn, but they all hold air. This one had 3 dead batteries in it. I took 2 of those batteries out. I put 2 of our own batteries, and it's doing nothing. The motor appears to be complete. It's missing the belt for the AC units. This bus has been out of service for at least a year. Body has minor dents all around. The rear corners have dents. It's got a dent up on the roof in the corner here. The driver's side looks pretty straight. Tires look fair, they're worn. Got a ding right here. Alright, what else can I say? This one needs to be towed out of here. No mechanical work will be allowed on site. It says on the windshield here that it ran in. So I don't know. I don't know why it's not doing anything. But it's being sold as is. Mechanical conditions are unknown. It's a 2003 Bluebird All-American school bus with 172,000 miles. Good luck.